If you've ever felt like piano should be easier than it is, even though you're practicing, this video is probably about you. Most adults don't quit piano because they're bad at it. They quit because they're learning in a way that just doesn't match how their brain works. After teaching adult students for years, I've noticed something interesting. Almost everyone seems to fall into 3 learning personalities, more or less. None of them are wrong, but each one gets stuck for a very specific reason. And once you know which one you are, piano starts to make a lot more sense. The first type is the natural. Naturals tend to pick up things quickly at first. They learn by ear, imitate well, or just get it without much explanation. But later, something changes. Progress slows, pieces feel harder, piano becomes frustrating. Not because they're lazy, but because structure feels boring. For naturals, piano doesn't fail immediately. It fails later. The second type is the analyzer. Analyzers love understanding how things work. They want logic, rules, reasons. They often read music well and practice carefully. But they overthink. They hesitate. They stop to fix things constantly. For analyzers, piano doesn't feel confusing. It feels stiff. Quick pause. If any of this already sounds like you, I put together a free piano course that helps adults stop spinning their wheels and start making real progress. It's short, practical, and built specifically for adult learners. You can grab it for free. The link is below. Now, let's look at the third type because this one surprises a lot of people. The third type is the perfectionist. Perfectionists care deeply about playing things correctly. They repeat small sections, restart when mistakes happen, and avoid playing through. The problem isn't effort, it's that mistakes feel personal. So progress feels slow even when they practice a lot. For perfectionists, piano doesn't feel difficult, it feels discouraging. So here's a big takeaway. None of these personalities are problems. They only become problems when you practice against them. Most adult piano frustration comes from using one generic approach, when different brains need different strategies. And by the way, most people aren't just one type. But one of these always shows up when piano gets hard, and that's the one you want to pay attention to. In the next few videos, I'm going to break down how each of these types should actually practice. Naturals, analyzers, and perfectionists all need different things to move forward. Trying to force one method on everyone is what causes most people to quit. For now, just notice which one sounds most like you. If piano has felt harder than it should, this might finally explain why. So check out my next video that delves further into the challenges that natural players face.